it's Laura and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a thrift flip. I actually really like to sew. I do it quite often. I'm going to do mostly simple ones today, but first I'm going to show you everything I have to flip, where I got it, what I'm doing to it. We're going to go through it all. Let's get on with the video. Okay, first thing I have is a bit of a weird one. I've actually never attempted this before. I have this beautiful Guess bag. It is vintage Guess. She's gorgeous. I got her for €15 off adverts, which by the way, if you're looking for a Guess bag, go on adverts, you will get one for like a tenner. There is a lot of leather flaking off it, so I'm gonna try and fix it up. Also, there's like major problems with the zipper. I did spend, in the end it was probably €20 on it because I had to pay for shipping. What I'm gonna do to try and fix it is I'm going to Mod Podge down the flaky bits of leather there, but I'm gonna do my best to try and fix it because I really like her and I wish I could wear her out. Next one I have Diesel jumper, which is inside out, but there you go, Diesel. I don't know if this is knitted or crocheted, but it's basically a fishnet style, if you can tell. I probably will cut the neck and cut the bottom hem off. Then I have this one, black top, it's tight fitting, v-neck with lace, and then a cap sleeve going on. I need to take it in. It's not flattering the way it is. So basically what I'll do, I'll put it on inside out, I'll put it on my body and take it in the sides. This was a Zara dress that got ruined. Don't know if you can see it. And it ties in the back, puff sleeves. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it'll work out either. We'll try. We'll trust the process, but I don't know. Another really easy one, this is easier than that white one will be, is I found this long lacy skirt in a charity shop. It was, I think it was €1. But basically I want to cut out the lining and then it'll be just a see-through lace skirt, and then it's gonna fall down, I think, so I'll have to take in the sides, but I want it to be super low rise. It does have a zip, which is quite handy. But yeah, I don't know if we're gonna have to seam rip for this or what the scenario is. I need to kind of look at what's going on the inside, which already is looking a little complicated, but that's okay. Most of those you don't actually need to be able to sew for. It's 3 of them, but 2 of them are really like easy and simple, and to be honest, lace skirts like that are so easy to find. I really recommend looking at your charity shop. They quite often have really nice fabrics in them, so get creative, because even if you can't sew, some of these are going to be so easy.
Hello, editing me. I did not explain very well in the video. Basically, before I cut the Diesel jumper, I decided to do this one so I could show you a neater version, and then I did the Diesel one because I knew it would be more difficult. So that is what this clip is.
We're gonna go with this t-shirt first. It is from Penny's, but my cousin gave it to me. It was hers first, so I technically consider that for fine because it's second hand. So first I pick one side where I'm gonna go about an inch or 2 below the collar, and then on the other side I'm gonna go directly by the collar. You stretch the neckline, and most of the bits you've messed up will kind of roll under, and if they don't, you can give them another cut. Just be careful. This is just for me to sleep in at night, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm gonna do the bottom as well. Excuse my pajama shorts, but that is the top. It's kind of perfect. I'm pretty happy with it anyway. It does go off both my shoulders because, as I said, it's quite big. That is all you have to do for this one, so that's very easy. And now we are just gonna do the same for, this already has a wide neckline, so I think I am just gonna cut on the neckline basically. And then I'll try it on and I'll see if I need to cut more. That's the jumper. I kind of love it. I just styled it so you could see what I was going for. Kind of 2010s. I would wear a big silver belt because I've got silver buckles on my shoes. I have my cross on here, but I put silver hoops in. Yeah, I think it's really cute. It's very off the shoulder because it was such a wide neckline, but I kind of love it. Now we're gonna do the skirt. I think I need to look at the inside and see where it is attached. So it's attached at the hem, and then it's attached at this back slit. Okay, so I removed the satin. However, I tried to do the good old ripping trick, and I did rip the skirt. Except this does mean there's no pink fabric in the back of that bit, so that's good. But now I'm gonna go try and get all the excess out before I sew the skirt back together, because it should be a pretty easy fix. Not gonna lie, I did a really bad job of cutting that skirt to wear under. I'm gonna have to take it in, but I don't have to right now because I'm wearing denim shorts and kind of fits perfectly over them. I did, however, make a hole in the back, so I'm gonna sew that up really quick. It's a midi skirt, which is kind of perfect. I don't love a maxi skirt, but especially not in a festival. That would not be ideal. So I think this is cute. She has a lot of room. Okay, I actually alter a lot of my tops to be tighter. I think the hem of this one is fine, which is good because it hits, if I'm wearing low rise, right there, and if it's tight it'll hit there, so that's perfect. The sleeves seem mostly okay as well. They're slightly off my shoulder. That's the shoulder seam, it should be there. Basically what I'll do once I put the camera down is I grab each side like this until it's tight on both sides and equal has been taken off. Then I will pin the tightest point, and then I will join from the armpit down to the hip. And I kind of eyeball that, to be honest. I'm not too specific about it. This one was pretty successful as well. It's nice and tight to me. The hems always go kind of weird, kind of poke out, so I'm gonna have a look at that again after. Probably if I cut off the excess fabric it'll go away, but the top of it fits really nicely. It kind of sits under my bust now where it's supposed to. The armpits are still a little big, but I took them in a bit and I don't need to be super tight. Just like a little comfy, cute t-shirt. Okay, really sad news. I don't know where I've put my Mod Podge. / one of my sisters probably stole my Mod Podge. So we're gonna do one more thrift flip. Nice, easy. We'll do the white top. I'm so sad. I need to fix that back. I've had it for ages now. I'm going to wear it. My storage filled up and stopped recording while I was sewing this. I haven't done it up properly because I'm lazy and it's difficult to get off. But this is the top. It's one of those like almost aprony ones, and if I did it up at the back it would look more normal. I don't know, I think even adding like another loop down further might help, so I might do that, but at least the hems are all clean and it's pretty even. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be uploading a new video every week, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!